Let me ask you a personal question. Are you waking up tired even after a full night's rest? Have those strong morning erections become weaker or less frequent than they used to be? Do you feel like your drive, your endurance, your spark is slowly slipping away bit by bit? If any of that sounds familiar, take it seriously. What you're experiencing is not simply aging. It is your body raising a warning flag that your recovery system is malfunctioning. Here's the positive part. You can correct this naturally. No medications, no risky operations, no costly supplements required. In many cases, it all comes down to one essential mineral that your body is quietly craving, especially during the nighttime. Before we get into that, here's something most men never learn. Nighttime is not only about sleep. It's the phase when your body repairs itself. Testosterone peaks while you're asleep. Your blood vessels restore and widen. Inflammation in your prostate settles down. Your mitochondria, the tiny energy engines in your cells, refill their fuel. That's why when your sleep cycle stops functioning properly, the first signs are usually weaker erections, a drop in stamina, and the feeling that your body simply isn't bouncing back anymore. Now, let's look at why this breakdown happens and what you can start doing tonight to correct it. Mistake number 1, overlooking magnesium depletion. I'll be straightforward. A large percentage of men over 50 are significantly low in magnesium. It's one of the most common hidden causes behind fatigue, poor quality sleep, and declining sexual performance. Magnesium acts like your internal relaxation switch. It lowers stress hormones, eases tight muscles, and signals your brain that it's safe to rest. When your levels are low, sure, you might fall asleep, yet your body stays stuck in alert mode. You wake up sluggish, irritated, sometimes anxious. Yes, this absolutely impacts circulation and performance too. Over time, insufficient magnesium can lead to restless legs, frequent nighttime urination, weak recovery, and the annoying pattern of waking up exhausted no matter how long you slept. So if you're tired every morning, don't instantly blame age. Check your magnesium. Mistake number 2, picking the wrong form. This is the trap many men fall into. They grab whatever cheap bottle of magnesium they see at the pharmacy and think they're all set. Sadly, most of those supplements do practically nothing. Magnesium oxide, for example, is poorly absorbed and often just causes stomach issues. What you need are the forms that actually support your nervous system and blood flow. Magnesium glycinate helps release muscle tension, lowers stress levels, and helps you settle into deeper sleep. It also enhances blood vessel function, supporting stronger morning performance. Then there's magnesium threonate, which can cross the brain barrier. It helps calm mental noise, reduces nighttime anxiety, and sharpens cognition. Combine these two and you get the full benefits: improved rest, improved energy, and a boost in vitality. Mistake number 3, taking it at the wrong hour. Timing matters. Magnesium is your relax signal. Take it early in the day and you might feel sluggish for hours. Take it about 30 to 60 minutes before bed and you unleash its real benefits. Pair it with warm water or chamomile tea. Lower the lights and step away from screens. A simple nighttime routine like that tells your body it's time to restore. Do this regularly, and noticeable improvements usually show up within days. Mistake number 4, expecting results instantly. Magnesium isn't a jolt of caffeine. It builds over time. Most men start noticing within a few days that they fall asleep faster, rest deeper, and wake with a bit more energy. By the end of the first week, fewer bathroom interruptions, better mental focus, and stronger morning performance. Give it a full 2 weeks and you'll typically experience calm, continuous, refreshing sleep. Steady mood, and yes, that familiar spark making its way back, only if you stay consistent. Skip nights and your progress goes right back to zero. The correct way to approach it. Here's the practical plan I share with my own patients. Pick the proper type: magnesium glycinate or magnesium L-threonate. Begin low, about 200 milligrams of glycinate or 1 gram of threonate. Adjust depending on how you feel. Create a bedtime routine. Lights low, no screens. Take your magnesium with warm water. Stack it wisely. Pair it with zinc and vitamin B6, often called ZMA. Together, they enhance testosterone, muscle recovery, and energy levels. Add some light stretching before bed, helping release tension and improving magnesium absorption. Some of you might be thinking, Dr. Kim, I've tried everything. Maybe I'm just too far gone. I need you to hear this clearly. You are not too late. I've worked with men in their 70s and even 80s who believed intimacy had disappeared forever. Once we fixed their sleep, restored their recovery, and supported their hormones, their energy resurfaced. Their confidence came back. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about bringing vitality back. It's about waking up clear, strong, and rooted in your masculinity once again. Let's dig a bit deeper. When sleep is healthy, your body cycles through deep and REM stages. That's when the pituitary gland releases bursts of testosterone. If your sleep gets interrupted by stress, magnesium deficiency, or late-night screen exposure, those bursts weaken. Cortisol, the stress hormone, rises and testosterone drops. That imbalance drains motivation, slows muscle repair, and even affects confidence and mood. Restoring magnesium flips that switch again, reducing cortisol and rebuilding your natural rhythm. You don't need risky shortcuts to spike testosterone. You just need to return what your body is lacking. Gentlemen, this isn't perfection. It's consistency. Every small decision, what you eat, when you rest, the time you go to sleep, either supports your hormones or steals from them. By replenishing this one essential mineral, you allow your body to heal again. You help your cells recharge, your blood vessels open, and your energy move freely again. Then everything begins to shift. Mornings feel easier, focus sharpens, desire and confidence rise back on their own. So tonight, take one simple action. Not a supplement trick, a choice. Decide you're finished running on empty. Finish treating exhaustion as normal. Choose to believe your body deserves more than just survival. It deserves to feel alive. Your body isn't asking for miracles. It's asking for attention. Real rest, real nutrients, real care. Give it those basics we often ignore, and something powerful awakens. Sleep doesn't just improve. You wake up a different man. More steady, more confident, more alive. You notice that spark returning, the motivation, the energy to move forward again. Your body isn't broken. It has been waiting for you to pay attention, to slow down, to refuel, to respect the strength still inside you. When you finally give it what it's been needing, everything rises, focus improves, your mood lifts. Intimacy, vitality, your connection to life. All of it climbs back upward. I'm Dr. Hana Kim. Remember, real strength doesn't come from pushing harder. It begins with recovery, with respecting yourself first. Take care of yourself, gentlemen. Your greatest years aren't gone. They're simply waiting for you to wake up to them. You've got this.